what is wrong with me?
Junior.
Hunter?
Entirely out of glass, even though birds can't see glass. Power move.
Knowing the Storks who don't know will crash into it is kind of abusive. That would be like having a robot punch you in the face every time you enter my house.
The orphan tulip has just turned 18, which means we can turn her to the human world. Here's our profit chart.
Oh, I love a good profit.
Peaks are when tulip is on vacation, asleep, or out with the flu. Fire her. I'm talking about firing her. Named boss on Monday is liberate the orphan tulip.
I have excellent news. I've taken care of the tulip problem.
Monday, it'll all be yours. Do you know what we'll do when you're boss? We'll barbecue together. We'll point at things together. We'll... My son-employee.
Hunter?
You're fired. How were you not suspicious? Seize the thing.
Wait, no, not the baby.
We'll return her to the human world.
That's insane!
My entire company will fall apart.
Okay, we're ready to go.
Good enough.
Okay, not that way.
Not that way either. Come one step closer.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
How about a million?
Turn it off! Turn it off! Shut it down!
This is my mom! What? Oh no!
Hunter gave the order to shut it down, and as a result, a window and helicopter got destroyed. Although they are probably his, they could be the company's, which is not his.
Come on! Go, 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 go! Grab it!
Now it's time to do it. Destroy the baby factory! What the heck?
Baby.
Whoa! What? Oh no.
Their company, the Corner Store, is a packaging company we could compare to Amazon. The whole company basically got ruined because of Hunter's action, so that would be a lot of money to be repaid. And he endangered everyone in the building consciously, which could get him life in prison.
That's not coming from Bird Island.
Go, Zeta. You killing me.
I'm done living on this frozen island. Fire another ice ball.
We can't do that, Zeta. You're torturing the engineer.
My limbs are beginning to numb. Wait a minute, wait. Why isn't anybody leaving? I want y'all to take all of those ice balls, fill them up with molten lava. Yes, I love it.
This construction is not safely installed, and someone got hurt. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA for short, will give out a fine of $15,625 for the first violation.
2 more weeks. 2 weeks? 2 weeks. I heard what I think I heard. Did you hear 2 weeks or did you hear tomorrow?
Hey, it's Steve. You know what to do.
I had to discipline Steve. Tomorrow. That's what I thought you said.
Are coming with me.
You done?
They were trespassing on Eagle Island, so locking them up is actually legal.
take these little bitty undeveloped island, my own personal paradise. I worked hard for it.
Attention, everyone!
Run for your lives!
My mommy and daddy.
Oh my God! Huh. Oh my God.
Gotcha!
This is not happening!
She did not perform a safety inspection before launching, so this is reckless endangerment.
Look here. This poor guy was found last night. Buddy, you're looking great today.
Get well soon.
Oh, it's okay. I hurt you.
Criminal use of chloroform gets you 3 years in the cage, buddy.
Hi there.
Told you I needed these birds alive.
Pretty bird. Throat.
Nigel, alive. Hey, Fernando, hang these up in the other room. In the morning, we bring those birds to the airport, and one of you, feed Nigel.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Scissors cuts rock.
Oh man, nice birdie.
Ugh, cannibal.
If a human willfully ingests the flesh or blood of another human, this is called cannibalism, and this is actually a documented crime punishable by 14 years.
Something seems to be lodged in my beak.
Some stuff we found.
And I need your multitude of eyes.
Oh, yeah? What's in it for us?
Let's discuss it. But what could I possibly do for you in return?
Save me!
Oh, well that's... I don't want to feel like I'm cheating you. Any more questions? Or it's flying lessons for everyone! Go do your monkey business. What happened?
Papa?
Stop your chirping and talk to me!
Will it go pop or will it go? Where are the cerulean birds?
They escaped, went to Louise. They said you were very nice.
Did they?
And handsome, too.
Going somewhere?
Claw your eyes out!
And take temper. Now come along, my dear.
Let go of me!
Get back here!
I'm gonna get you out of here.
No, Blue, you can't be here. Nigel is...
You to join our little soiree.
I got 3 of the roughest, meanest birds in all of Rio right behind me.
We're saved! I think he means us. That's right.
Oh.
I'm not gonna be home for dinner.
Pop this cage open like a soda can. Hurry! We gotta help the others. I'm out! Ah! The light! Go! 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 Freedom!
Come on! Come on, we need to get out!
Wait!
Now we have 2 useless, flightless birds.
Not cool, man. Not cool.
To be or not to be? That is the question. My audience awaits.
From the streets of Rio.
One, I want a fortune.
Well.
All right, bird, pick your fortune.
No more flying today. We've got a boat to catch. Boat will get us there by morning.
But he'll never fly again.
Come on, bird.
That bluebird caused my misery.
Why are you hitting yourself?
Thank you.
The croaking cockatoo.
For putting ice cream up the kid's nose and hitting the man with the stick, he gets 2 assault charges.
I love being on Team Nigel.
Shh. Stop. Twinkle, twinkle, little blue. To die. Now is our chance. Make me fly again. Bow before the conquering cockatoo.
What is your problem, dude?
That's the energy you bring into an audition.
I've got a great little day.
We're looking for a new star. Don't I know you from somewhere?
Bob, the bird. I was afraid. I was petrified. I could barely fly. Go! Walk out the door. It is... Yes, thank you. I've been Bob the bird. Be happy we're only plucking you, porcupine. We let him come to us. I'll mesmerize them from the stage. You, my little Yeti. It will be a performance to die for. Halt! Prepare the Nozuka. Fire! Foiled again.
What are you doing? Let go! Save yourself! Don't bring both of us down! Let go!
Deja vu, Blue.
Nigel!
You. Uh-oh. You will bury your furious feathers in your face!
This is it! Steady, steady. Shoot! Oh, Nigel!
Oh, is this the end? Too beautiful to live. And it's standing room only.
No! No! What am I? Then I shall not liveth at all.
That frog is not poisonous.
What? So now...
Oh,
Nigel!
no,
Oh.
Charlie!
That if Shen continued down this dark path, would be defeated by a warrior, black and white, set out to change his fate. He saw only horror.
Get all the metal you can find!
Help!
That's everything! Let's get out of here!
My fist hungers for justice.
Take that!
Chew on that, Tubby!
This is burglary, but they also almost took the pig dude with them. And the Kung Fu masters are kinda like the police in this world, so this is also fleeing arrest.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please leave my house.
Your house?
Gongmen is under the stewardship of the Master's Council. So glad you feel that way.
What's in the box, Shen?
It's a gift. Oh, it's your parting gift. Part of you here, part of you there. Way over there, staining the wall.
You are no match for our kung fu.
This is.
Master Ox! Master... the ferocious Master Croc! I can't believe we're rescuing actual legends of kung fu. Yes! We're coming for you, Shen!
Then the weapon would kill everyone.
We surrender!
You can chain my body.
Warrior spirit. Hey, don't forget the little guy. Trust me, I got a plan. Ah, my old enemy. Stairs. Thanks for carrying me those last few flights. Okay.
Greetings, man.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
Fire! Well, like that thing!
Feel the bug!
You were there.
Yes.
It is very nice of you to take the goat lady out of the building you are going to blow up, but it is still a kidnapping.
Looking for me? I said that too soon, didn't I?
Your parents didn't love you. Let me heal you. Once we reach the harbor, in front of all the world, we'll die.
Set sail! Honestly, guys, I never thought I'd die like this. I'd meet a nice girl and settle down, and then she'd eat my head.
Hardcore, right? Tigress?
Lord Shen, what about the bridge?
Fire!
Prepare yourself for a hot... Free the fine! Disc of destruction!
I love you guys.
Courtroom!
I said fire!
No.
Evans, tank 9 times.
A role model? No. Kids should try to pretend that they're Tank.
How to surf and spend some time with the kids.
This is my wave.
Always.
Smile on your brother.
Keep your girlfriend out of this.
He's a dirty trash can full of poop.
My mom put me right on there. I think she pooped me out, just put me right on there. Center of attention, because it's really where I should be.
For the rest of the first and second movie, he is just surfing and not doing anything illegal, except for this in part 2.
Learn to surf from a real master, right, gang?
Yes, Sensei!
Just send me your parents' credit card information.
Dang, my arms are getting tired.
It's part of your training. You want to learn how to shred for real? Sign up now with Purchase.
Surf etiquette!
Okay. So we're getting fired for this.
Don't touch anything. This place is booby-trapped.
Huh?
Michelle! You didn't take that from the tomb, did you?
No, this is my old board.
It was the Battle of the Ice Claws. Looked dark. The lies of... The Guardians were victorious.
Come on.
All right, more basket. Listen, Gilfy, those birds are doing something terribly wrong.
And exactly what do you two think you're doing?
Once we have amassed enough flex to lure our enemy to their rightful place, our claws.
And the tree. Those will be mine.
Stop asking questions. My feathers weren't always stained with these colours. Used that, so they took my family. But orders no harm had come to them. And I've been doing their dirty work ever since.
The last of the Flecks are on their way, tested and pure. One in particular.
You're right to be afraid in my presence. Remember, weakness is for the lower species. Many of you have heard of me in late-night whisperings, but I am real. The strong shall rule the weak. Now I wear this mask to conceal my scars. And take back what is rightfully ours. We are pure ones. Metal beings!
Can we just go find Soren?
Hey!
But I promise I won't tell anyone what you're doing.
Tonight, just sleep. What is this? Even lies of Keel, I mean, he's reeling.
Clyde gave me to the owl who brought me here.
That would mean that Alamir would have to be a traitor. Oh, it's a trap.
It would be cruel to make them wait any longer. Finish them.
When we were at St. Aggie's, we saw what those things can do to an owl.
We've got bats inbound.
Not to worry. Come on!
Wait! Just wait!
Can you take care of the bats?
Friend, I'll give you as much time as I can.
You told us you'd bring all the Guardians.
They're not guardians.
Still, I don't think we can trust you anymore.
No, you promised me. You promised.
There is only room for one king.
Guardians, we must uphold our oath.
The legendary lies of Keel. Now I can take my vengeance. Be done with it then.
Oh, yeah.
not letting me. Young and confident, Tycho. You know this sad old owl by letting you watch him die.
You did what was right, and you did it well.
Officially in session.
Who are you?
I'm your new cook.
Should I be concerned that my old cook is missing?
Trip to Palm Springs?
Like a game show prize.
Then that's what he wants. Buzz Buzzer, jack of all trades.
I don't know what happened to the cook, but something tells me he isn't around anymore.
I don't know. Shut her camp down. Twice as successful. I'm just an ideas guy.
I mean, Angie could barely keep woohoo going. Something crazy would have to happen for her to shut it down.
Ourselves so we can dig for the loot. Well, it'll be easier than throwing kittens. Was buried under one of these two camps? Then who can you trust? Real foolproof that last time. Could that gold be?
That map was stolen.
Why is this guy saying he's got a delivery for you?
Some new food items for Hoorah.
Sound right?
I think it does.
Like a fresh food delivery program. I approve. You okay?
Although it was quick, he threatened the delivery boy.
Something crazy would have to happen for her to shut it down. Banned in every country. Except Brazil. Cabins. Adios. Outlawed for its extreme energy levels. Who can stick around without a...
All right.
Whoa. It's that laugh again. Woodpecker. Stop yelling. They got some crazy woodpecker, and he's an accident machine. Sure, I could use a harness for my arm. So he causes all the damage?
All done here, man.
And he got even more illegal tools and weaponry, it seems. Over 10 boxes with weird stuff at least.
Oh, about time you showed up. I'm here to fix this room, and I could use a hand.
Second, this room is already fixed.
Wrecked room?
You're that pesky buzzard I saw lurking by the lake. Next event, it's hammer time.
Hey, don't get crazy now, fella. He does it, woohoo. If I may say so myself.
If you let someone slip and fall on purpose, you can actually get fined up to 9,000 smackaroos.
And now to turn up.
I'll, catch up with you guys.
You're in my cabin again.
We're losing sight of the big picture.
Literally all we do here at Hoorah.
Well, I ain't taking any chances. Who will become Camp Baba? Saying to buy Woohoo's land from him, then I'll blackmail him into giving us both camp. Dole's been signing for all my deliveries. Guy could go to jail for signing. Gold is as good as ours. Who's there? Hey, wait a second! I'm lethal with the spatula. Now I got me a higher purpose. I want the millions in gold buried somewhere. Chill out. Chill out. What? The freezer! I said the freezer!
That feels nice. Now to find Maggie and Angie. Dastardly double-crossing ways. Smell smells like... You're not very good at this game, are you?
That is some whiskey business, pal. On guard!
Two birds just get along.
Check out this move, lad. No one can help you now, pal. You missed.
Are you okay?
Of course!
For doing all the mystery solving for me. It's all purpose. Arrivederci, losers! The ocean, my body lies open. I believe that...
I believe you actually found the gold!
We got it!
Bird's about to be grounded.
It's slipping! Look!
Not a chance.
Help!
Ain't that a dilemma?